Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian. This is kind of a continuation of my last video on the Dragonfly journal, even though it's not strictly part of it. What it is, when I was kind of putting the journal together, I realised I needed more bits, basically, you know. So I was having a look round, and a friend of mine, Scrimpysjournalshop on Etsy, was doing these packs. 97 piece pack of journaling, blank journal items for 20 quid. You know, like, I'm thinking, like, what a bargain. So delivery was mega fast, and here we are. So I mean, I have had it a few days, but I've been busy doing other things. So what have we got? Well, we've got this beautiful tag here. Look at this, friend. That is gorgeous. The stitching. I love these. What's this, a little? To Ian, thank you so much for your order and support. Crafty hugs, Amanda. Oh, thanks, Amanda. That's lovely. That's the personal touch. And something here. Are these little cards? Yes, they are. Oh, look at these. These are adorable. Are these 3x3? Let's have a look, shall we? 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. Yeah, 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. These are gorgeous. Look at the stamping. Or is this DSP, I wonder? I'll have to ask. Let's put those away. Look at the topper on this. I mean, look at the work that's gone into that. So fabulous. Right, those away. Now we get to the biggie. Look at this ribbon. I'm going to have fun with this ribbon. Oops. Is it in a knot? You can see I've got no nails at the minute. Can I actually just deal with? I can deal with that later. There we go. It's just a knot to undo. In fact, there you go. Look at that. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Anyway, right. What do we do now? Oh, we have sellotape. Now, Liz expressed an interest in wanting this paper. Let me get the scissors. I wonder if I can cut it. Like that. Ooh. So I've rescued the paper for Liz. Ooh, look at this. Everything is so beautifully packaged. So, what's in this one? We have tuck spots. I'm guessing these are. 4 of those, lovely jubbly. We have these here, which just come out like that. I've no idea what they are. what they're called. But yeah, those. Oh, these are fun. I need to make some of these myself. Use a sewing machine, which means getting my sewing machine out and learning how to use it. So I've got a couple of those. Dyed tags. Beautiful. A couple of CD wallets you can use. And is that another triple, or is that that's something? Oh no, that's like a, oh, that's a little notebook type thing. Lovely. Oh, I'm really impressed. All those guys. Because obviously they've been kind of sorted, so if I keep them roughly in the same kind of order. This is ribbons and things. Got some beautiful little, well, gorgeous little ribbons there. We have tickets, lovely, and we have some ribbons. I'm not going to unravel these ribbons, and some burlap which you can use for backing and things. I'm loving this actually, this is so beautiful. Right, next. I know what these are. These are napkins and things. So we have doilies. You can dye these, which I'll be doing. So lots of doilies. Napkins. This is Alice in Wonderland napkin. Oh, my ears and whiskers. Ah, a flowery napkin. You could cut these out. Glassine bags, always good to have. And another couple of napkins. There we go. Beautiful. This one is envelopes by the looks of it. So we have these little wage slip envelopes. I remember these from donkeys years ago. I used to get wages in these. Index cards. 2 sizes of index cards by the looks of it. Yeah. Plain brown envelopes. And some strong thick envelopes. Okay, beautiful. And also a couple of DL ones you can use as well. Right, what else have we got? Ooh, now then. Now has Amanda put in, because I'm sure there's extra. Let me just have a quick count up. Some encyclopedia pages, different thicknesses. You can sponge these, cut them up, what have you. Music. Oops. Music there. piece of thick card, ledger pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right. Oh, she has 12 sheets of coffee or tea dyed paper. I need to learn how to make this myself, although Amanda does such a lovely job of it. And look at this, it is gorgeous. So crinkly. And I think that's it. So what do we all think? I mean, my review of this is 10 out of 10. Absolutely. That's another pack of this. I ordered another pack, so always good to have extras. So, you know, what do we think? Seriously, that is all that for 20 quid. Beautiful, isn't it? Just beautiful. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This paper, by the way, these papers will be going in my dragonfly journal. As an addition, give it a bit more bulk, yeah? So thank you for watching, whatever you're doing today. I hope you have a lovely time, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.